Alright, this is your man, Keri. I'm using my Canon PowerShot SX120, and I just wanted to show my YouTubers what it's like living here in Oregon with the weather in Salem, Oregon. In case you've never been to Oregon, this is how it is here, and in Portland and pretty much most of the valley. Okay, we're gonna go out on my balcony. Sorry, this is really bad. I mean, as far as the camera work goes, okay? Alright, here we go. Out into the wild, man. Okay, here we go. Check it out. Yeah. Super rainy, man. Look at how wet my patio is. Just craziness. And the sky, man, it's just brown. It's just, I mean, look at the way the trees are blowing. And, oh man. If you're in Oregon today, and you don't have to be outside, I mean, don't go outside. Yeah. I mean, if you got a car, go out, you know, go do your business, but it rained in Corvallis today. Anyways, yeah. Pretty extreme. Oh my god. Yeah. Getting wet right now. Pretty extreme. Alright. Has to go in before it gets my camera too wet. Alright?